Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can copy comments on Instagram. So if you try to or if you want to delete one comments that make you interest, you can try to do it by tap on the comments that you want to copy and hold here. You can hold the text that you want to copy here. If this not work, you can try to copy the post. I mean the link of the post. This one, for example, you can copy link, then you can open the link from your browser. Then you can try to open it on desktop size. Here you can copy the comment from the desktop view of your Google Chrome. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.